Hastek Plastic Systems was founded in 1998 based on the sectoral experience and plastics knowledge of Hasmak, which is one of the companies that produced the first plastic injection machine in Turkey for over a half-century. It continues to serve its clients in the plastic sector through its cost-effective, reliable, and easy-to-apply turnkey solutions, from the process of idea to the process of production, as well as providing support for the plastic producers to make accurate technologic investments ever since its incorporation. Hastek provides machine, automation systems, auxiliary equipment, and above all, technical service for the Turkish plastic sector through its head office, warehouse, and showroom, located in 3,500 square meter area in Istanbul, Karachi, and its Aegean Regional Directorate located in Izmir, Bayraklı. With its wide range of products, machines, and auxiliary equipment ready to be immediately delivered from the stocks, Hastek is the only company that allows its clients to view, try, and test all kinds and models of devices at its 1,500 square meter showroom. Making investment in the equipment and tools used during application for the purpose of improving after-sales service quality at all times. Hastek is leader in the sector thanks to its instant, fast, and solution-oriented technical services. With the support provided by the brands that it represents in Turkey, Hastek offers material and workmanship guarantee that is valid all around the world in terms of replacements and repairs, by keeping stocks of the thousands of different original spare parts required for after-sales services. Hastek, aiming to ensure development and improvement, does not only act as a representative that sells devices, but it also has an organization and trained staff that generates solutions to the production problem of each client, as well as prepares projects in line with the planned investments and contributes to making the most efficient investments. With the awareness of the fact that the biggest factor behind success is to keep up with the modern technologies, Hastek offers the best technologies to its clients thanks to the knowledge that it has so far gained by participating in overseas trainings, fairs, and seminars continuously, and makes much more contribution to the Turkish plastic sector each and every day. With its highly skilled technical service team and well-trained staff, Hastek follows up the latest technologic developments in the global plastic sector continuously, and collaborates with the American, European, and Asian global brands that have each proven track record of achievement. Its wide range of products include vertical and horizontal plastics injection machines, industrial cooling and heating systems, plastic raw material drying systems, plastic raw material conveying systems, dye and raw material dosing systems, plastic raw materials conveying systems, raw material mixing systems, and plastics grinding machines, metal separator systems, fast die changeover systems, robot automation systems. Offering turnkey solutions in plastic plant automation, Hastek keeps its product ranges wide and up-to-date at all times, in line with the demands of its clients based on its better service quality, and thanks to the annual production development visits made to its long-term business partners and producers. Hastek increases the competitive edge of its clients by making contributions to their production technologies, with the innovative solutions that it offers to its clients at the domestic and overseas international plastic industry fairs. Hastek creates turnkey plastic production plants that can meet the ever-changing and customized client need in a fast and efficient way, and offers innovative solutions based on Industry 4.0 concept by contributing to the production power of its clients. Serving the Turkish plastic sector through its lasting tradition for over 50 years, Hastek has played a significant role in terms of the integration of the technologic novelties and innovations in our country during this process. As one of the companies that have the largest market share based on its continual principle of customer satisfaction, Hastek continues to maintain its strong sectoral confidence that has been achieved without making any concessions on the principle of honesty ever since its incorporation.